Welcome back to Excel functions series. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to talk about the absolute function in Excel. Before jumping on to the syntax and hands-on, let's first understand the mathematical context of this function. Let me move on to the next slide. In mathematics, absolute value of a number, integer, fraction, etc., both positive and negative, denotes the distance of that number from 0 on the number line. In other words, it denotes the magnitude of the number and it ignores any negative sign. So if you studied mathematics, you know number line is an imaginary line of real numbers which stretches from positive infinity to negative infinity, and 0 is in the middle, right? So the absolute value of the number is the pure magnitude of the distance of the number from 0, either on the positive side or on the negative side. For example, let's consider number -3. The absolute value of -3 is 3 because it is 3 unit away from 0 on the negative side. So basically what the function does is it ignores any negative sign and returns only the pure magnitude of the number. So if you supply, or if you want to find the absolute value of a positive number, the result would be the number itself, because the pure magnitude of the number is equal to the number. So let's take a look at few more examples. So absolute value of -2 is 2, absolute value of -9.5 is 9.5, absolute value of positive 9 is 9, etc. So in Excel, the syntax of absolute function is ABS, and then it takes a real number as parameter, and this parameter is a required parameter, and then it returns the absolute value of the number passed in as the parameter. So let's look at some practical hands-on example in Excel. So already provided some examples here. For example, the absolute value of -3, C1 is -3, is 3. Similarly, let's do another one. Absolute value of -100.98 is 100.98. Ignore the negative sign and return only the pure magnitude of the number. If it is a positive number, the result is going to be equal to the number itself. Absolute value of 9 is going to be 97.98, so on and so forth. So I hope this information was helpful. For more such videos, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Have a great day.